New headlights for the John Deere. I got them on Amazon. They come in red, amber, and white. They're supposed to be extremely bright. There's the old bulb and the new bulb. Cool looking. Same base. Here's a look with the light. The old light. It's kind of yellowish. And look at the bright one here. That's the new one. It's a big difference. Much brighter. We'll do a test tonight. To change the light bulb, it's very simple. Open the hood here. It's right there. Just untwist. Comes out. Just switch it up. Like that. One on each side. It's almost 3 now. By 7 o'clock it'll be dark. So I'll see you in a bit. That's the old lights. Out in traffic. The old lights. Train. Train, planes, and automobiles. These. Old lights. New lights. Shines more sideways too. Old lights. New lights. Ready for plowing snow. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. See you next time.